Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. Today we're up 9.3% on the 100 chart. We are at positive MACD territory and we're nearing at the overbought RSI. As for the 400 chart, we still remain on positive MACD. We were about to approach to negative territory. However, we since reversed this morning, and as for the RSI, we're nearing overbought levels there. For the daily chart, what we have here is we approach to positive MACD, and we have not quite hit near overbought levels on the RSI yet. And as for support, I do see the next possible support being the 9-day moving average, this blue line at the price of $2.43. On the other hand, for resistance, I do see the resistance being around where we opened the new contract at the price of $2.78. So that price movement to the upside is roughly around 4.3% to hit resistance, and to the downside, that price movement is roughly around 8.5% to hit support. For the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $10.53, which is this range right here, and my sell target for it will be $11.38, and my stop loss will be $10.23. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $11.61, and since we're above that price, I'll enter my short position now, and my sell target for my short will be $10.83, and my stop loss is at $11.86. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 43% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 5%, a 14% chance for it to climb between 5% to 10%, and to the downside, we have a 29% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and further extreme case to the downside, a 14% chance to fall between negative 5% to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.